Cling. To hold tightly to something. The child clung to his mother's leg during the thunderstorm. The wet clothes cling to my skin. Fumble. To handle clumsily or awkwardly. He fumbled with the keys and dropped them on the ground. She fumbled for her phone in her bag. Hickey. A temporary mark on the skin caused by sucking. She had a hickey on her neck from last night. Pounce. To spring or leap suddenly to catch something. The cat pounced on the mouse without hesitation. Pout. To make a sad or angry expression by pushing out the lips. The child pouted when she didn't get the toy. Tangle. To become twisted or caught together. The yarn got tangled in a knot. She tried to untangle her hair after a windy day. Grumble. To complain in a low voice. He grumbled about the long wait at the restaurant. He always grumbles when he has to wake up early. Peep. To look quickly or secretly at something. He took a peep through the curtain to see who was outside. Savage. Fierce, violent, or uncontrolled. The savage storm caused widespread damage. The movie featured a savage fight scene. Sneak. To move quietly and secretly. He tried to sneak out of the house without anyone noticing. She managed to sneak a cookie before dinner. Twitch. A sudden, quick movement. His eye began to twitch after hours of studying. The dog twitched in its sleep. Wobble. To move unsteadily from side to side. The table wobbled because one leg was shorter than the others. He felt his knees wobble after the long run. Face plant. To fall flat on one's face. She did a faceplant on the sidewalk while riding her bike. He laughed after watching the video of the epic faceplant. Stagger. To walk unsteadily or with difficulty. He staggered home after a long night out. The boxer staggered after receiving a hard punch. Swag. A stylish or confident manner. He walked into the room with a lot of swag. She showed off her swag in her new outfit. Snort. To make a loud sound through the nose. He snorted with laughter at the joke. Quiver. To shake or tremble slightly. She felt a quiver of excitement before the show. The leaves quivered in the breeze. Glare. To stare in an angry or fierce way. He shot her a glare when she interrupted him. Peek. To look quickly or furtively. She took a peek at her birthday presents. He couldn't resist the urge to peek behind the curtain. Puke. To vomit. She felt sick and had to puke after eating too much. The sight of the rotten food made him want to puke. Bedwetting. The involuntary urination during sleep. Bedwetting is common in young children. Parents often find bedwetting distressing for their kids. Arms. The kind-hearted woman gave alms to the beggar on the street. She gives alms to the beggar on the street. Quarrel. A heated argument or disagreement. They had a quarrel about who should do the dishes. The siblings often quarrel over small things. Provoke. To stimulate or incite someone to do or feel something. She didn't mean to provoke her friend.
Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.